Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super useful for anyone getting started with crypto trading. How to paper trade on Bitunix. If you're new here, paper trading is like practicing your trading skills without risking real money. It's all simulated, so you can learn from your mistakes safely. Let's jump right in. First off, what's Bitunix? It's a popular platform for cryptocurrency trading, offering tools for both real and demo trading. If you haven't signed up yet, head over to their website and create a free account. It's quick and easy, just provide your email and set a password. Once you're logged in, look for the Paper Trading or Demo Account section, usually found in the dashboard or under the Trading Options menu. Click on it to set up your virtual portfolio. Bitunix lets you start with a simulated balance, often around $100,000 in virtual funds, so you can experiment with different strategies. Now, for the fun part, placing trades. Select the crypto pairs you're interested in, like BTC, USD or ETH, USC. Use the buy and sell buttons to execute trades based on market data. Remember, this is real-time but with fake money. Keep an eye on charts, indicators, and order books to analyze trends, just like in live trading. After you've made some trades, review your performance. Bitunix has built-in analytics that show your profit and loss, win rates, and more. This is key for learning what works and what doesn't. Pro tip: treat it like real trading. Set goals, follow a plan, and track your emotions. Paper trading on Bitunix is a game changer for building confidence. Once you're comfortable, you can transition to real trading. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. See you next time.